Are there any pitfalls that attorneys encounter in preliminary filings with the court?
The appearance form will be the first document that counsel will file. It is important for counsel to file the appearance form under his or her name and their own PACER account. Unlike in some other courts, once the appearance form is filed, counsel must then be attached to the case by the case manager. After being attached, counsel can then file other documents. It is also important to note that the brief will be filed later in the case after the clerk's office has established a briefing schedule.
What are some common mistakes in filling out transcript order forms?
When filing the transcript order form, counsel should determine how many different court reporters there are. If there are different court reporters, counsel should file one transcript order form for each court reporter. If the court reporter is the same, but there are different hearing dates, counsel may file one transcript order form listing the different hearing dates on that form. If there is a delay in the case, counsel should contact the clerk's office. And if there are additional transcripts that somehow counsel was not aware of, counsel can file an additional transcript order form. There are times when the transcripts will already be on file in the district court. When that happens, counsel must still file the transcript order form, but just simply indicate that the transcripts are already on file.
What are appendices, and are there common problems in filing these documents?
An appendix is needed when some or all of the district court documents are not available electronically. The key to filing an appendix is to make one filing within the ECF filing system. Within that one filing, you can then attach additional documents as additional volumes to that appendix.
Does the court see many issues regarding the oral argument statement in the brief?
Counsel should make a clear statement in the brief whether or not they prefer oral argument. When docketing the brief within the ECF filing system, that statement should also be consistent with the statement in the brief. If you've waived oral argument in your brief, it does not mean that if the court schedules oral argument, you will not be allowed to attend.
What is the court's view on an extension of time, and how does an attorney successfully ask for an extension?
Extensions of time are disfavored. However, the court will entertain a motion for an extension of time to file the brief. The amount of time that you should ask for should be reasonable, and under rare circumstances will the court grant beyond a 30-day extension.
What help is available for an attorney or their staff?
There are several options available to counsel when filing an ECF document. The first option would be to contact the case manager during business hours with any questions or concerns. Additional resources are available on the court's website, and they include the local and federal rules and the list of permissible ECF filings. And you should consult these resources mainly after business hours. And always, when in doubt, contact the case manager.